Hey, this is Rene, welcome back for another video on this channel. So in a world where trading examples can be faked as easily as it is possible today with tools like TradeZeller, for example, send accounts or demo accounts that look like real accounts, it is extremely important that you always check what you see online and that you only trust trustworthy sources. This is why I took another step to more transparency and not only showing all of my trading results live or my trades live every single day as I did already in the past, but now I also set up a Myfxbook third-party audited profile for my account so you can see everything in full transparency. So if you know my channel, you've probably seen this live stream here, which is online or was online 24/7 for, I don't know, almost 1 year now, I guess. And here you can see every single trade in real time. So it is showing the same account that I have here on my server and in the history, and I showed this multiple times already before. We can clearly see there is a profit of 61,400 euro at this point. But maybe you say, this is not enough for me. I want to do my own analysis in this account. I want to see if it's legit. I want to trace and track every single trade. This is why I now also set up a Myfxbook, which is a third-party auditor for your track record when it comes to trading results, and is one of the more trustable sources and auditors for trading results. Because as I said, for example, trading journals like TradeZeller are not trustworthy at all when it comes to like third-party auditing, because they just do not do this. You can basically edit, add or remove trades as you wish. So it's very easy to use these kind of trading journals to also fake performances and trick or fool people on YouTube, for example, to sell programming courses. It is a widely used strategy to just benefit from course sales, and it has nothing to do with real third-party auditing. Myfxbook is a little bit more serious when it comes to this. They will track your account directly from the MetaTrader 5. So as far as I'm informed here, it's not possible to just add or remove trades from your track record. So what do we see here? This is basically the same account that I already showed here on my server and that I frequently show on my server. Here we can clearly see that it is the same account. You can even see the account number here. You will find this portfolio if you search for Rene Balke 50k. That's just the name that I always use for this account. So I also used it here for the Myfxbook. And what we can see here is some key figures, and those key figures, like all of these key figures and numbers, are accurate except for one, which is still accurate but not 100%, and I'm talking about the gain or the absolute gain or all of these percentage profit numbers. They are not 100% good because they are calculated, I think, mainly based on the money that is currently in this account, and this is not really perfect for my specific account because I had a few deposits and withdrawals, and for this reason the number can be a little bit off. But everything else, like for example the balance chart here, is completely accurate. You can see whenever I made a withdrawal, you can see when I deposited money, so this is accurate. Also the profit chart, which is probably the one that shows the performance best, this is also 100% accurate, and you can see the exact profit here in the profit chart as I made it in my account. So you can see here the total performance and the total track record from end of March 2024 when I started trading this account up until the current point in time, and you can see that we are getting closer to the all-time highs again, which were around July 2025. Drawdown numbers again are not really accurate, or I mean they are accurate but just based on the deposit or the money that was in the account at the moment when the drawdown happened. So it's not really calculated on the 50k that I took at a base or seed funding for this account. So what else can we see here? You can also see here like today, weekly, monthly, yearly performance, which might be interesting for some of you. You can see goals that I do not really set, so it's not interesting. Then we do see some statistics here which could be interesting for you. You can see like the best trade, worst trade, average trade, I think, so stuff like this. You can see summaries for the symbols, which could be interesting, and yeah, just click through this. What I also want to show you here is you can see all of the trades, and I'm not talking about all of the open trades, but I'm also talking about every single trade in the history. So you are able to see exactly what trades were taken. Especially you can see the magic number here, and the magic number is very important because with this magic number you can also filter for strategies. So here you can see at the very top of this Myfxbook portfolio, you can see the custom analysis. And what is most interesting in my opinion is here filtering for the magic number. For example, here you can see if you go to magic number 1 and set a custom deposit like the 50,000 that I always use for this account, and then if you analysis, you can see you will get a custom analysis just for magic number 1, which is the go long strategy. So you can also see it here always in the open stream. For example, magic number 1 is the go long strategy for DE40, so you can see exactly how much profit I made with the go long strategy in DE40. I can also go ahead and say I want to have magic number 4 and analyze this. So here we can see this. If we go for the profit, we can see there's a profit of 6,000, and magic number 4, let's have a look at this. It's USD Japanese yen, so it's the range breakout EA in USD Japanese yen. So this chart or this combination generated a profit of 6.6k. So you can see you can filter for all of this. What's also interesting is maybe magic number 12. I think it's one of the biggest profits because it should be the profit in gold using the range breakout EA. So you can see here in the history we should see all of the gold range breakout trades. So yeah, that's how you can use the custom analysis to filter for yourself in my account how the strategies perform. And I think this is a great step to more transparency and gives you some options also to filter my portfolio of charts to figure out what strategies you might want to use, what could be helpful for you. So yeah, this is now available on Myfxbook.com. Just head over to Myfxbook and check out this portfolio. If I don't forget it, I will also post a link, of course, below this video. So if you have any questions about this Myfxbook, let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't have any questions, then I hope you like to play around and filter a little bit in the Myfxbook portfolio, and maybe it helps you to also develop your own strategies or give you more of a clear understanding of what I do here, and if you maybe also want to use one of these strategies. As always, you can use all of my strategies for free. More information on this is also available in the video description. So that's it from me. I'm out. Have a great time. I will see you next time. Bye.